In the last video, we talked about secret sprawl, scattered across your development cycle and different microservices with no centralized way to manage them. Let's talk about how Infisical fixes that. Infisical is an open-sourced platform for managing secrets, certificates, and privileged access. In this course, we're focused on secrets management. Here's how it works. First, centralization. Every secret lives in one place, Infisical. Whether your team is still passing around credentials in .env files and Slack messages, or you've outgrown a patchwork of SOPs, sealed secrets, and vault wrappers that no one fully owns. Infisical replaces all of that with a single source of truth. Second, rotation. Because everything reads from one place, rotation gets dramatically simpler. When a credential rotates, you update it once in Infisical, and that change propagates to every service that reads from it. You're done with the manual updates across 5 repos, the coordinated redeployments, the time window where half of your stack has the old password and half of it has the new one. And where possible, Infisical handles that rotation automatically, on a schedule, without you ever touching it. Third is auditability. Every read, every write, and every permission change is logged. When something goes wrong or compliance requires it, you can trace exactly what happened, who did it, and when. Infisical also gives you fine-grained ways to organize secrets across environments and teams, and flexible delivery methods to get them where they need to go. CLI, API, native integrations, Kubernetes. We'll dig into all of that throughout the course. This is the Infisical dashboard. Projects, environments, secrets with their metadata. We'll get fully hands-on in coming videos. Now, where does Infisical fit compared to other tools? Some secrets managers are built for full platform teams and come with serious operational overhead. Others lock you into a single cloud provider. Infisical hits the sweet spot. Fast to set up, strong fundamentals out of the box, and still supports advanced workflows as you scale. We now understand the problem. We know the tool. Time to get hands-on. In the next video, you'll create your Infisical account, set up your organization, and start your first project.